President Drupadi Murmu launched My Bengal Addiction Free Bengal campaign under the Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan organized by Brahma Kumaris at Raj Bhavan, Kolkata today. ISRO successfully separated Chandrayan's 3 lander module from the spacecraft's propulsion module today. The first ever WHO Traditional Medicine Global Summit began at Mahatma Mandir in Gandhinagar, Gujarat today. Various dignitaries from different walks of life welcome Vishwakarma Yojana announced by Prime Minister Modi for artisans of country. The 4-day U20 summit began today at Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. The summit, organized by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports under the framework of India's G20 presidency.